this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this simple window card with the Countryside Corners bundle. Here's a window card that I made with the Countryside Corners bundle, which includes this stamp set and these dies. Lots of fun things that you can do with these dies that I'm going to be showing you in some videos this upcoming week. So this first one is just a simple window card. So I used Misty Moonlight and some of the Designer Series paper, the Countryside Inn. I used the second largest die to cut out the opening, and then I used the third largest die to cut out a white piece that I can stamp on. So the first thing I'm going to do is just add this to the card. Now I'm going to be using the Lasting Joy stamp set to create the middle part of the card. And I'm going to stamp the sentiment, hoping for better days ahead first in Night of Navy. Next, I'm going to stamp these flowers in Misty Moonlight all around the sentiment randomly. And then I'm just going to add some of the leaves. So I line up the largest flower with the top leaf here. I wanted to add a little bit more texture to the front of the card, so I used the Countryside Blossoms embossing folder that is part of the Countryside Inn suite to emboss the top of the card. Now I'm just going to add this to the inside with dimensionals. Next, I'm using some of the Inside Braid Misty Moonlight ribbon. Super pretty with this braid in the middle. And I'm just using my little bow tying helper. I have a video on how to create these and how I tie a bow. And it looks like I need to do it on this side. I'm going to add some of the gems. And there is my easy window card using the Countryside Corners bundle. Receive my Countryside Corners card kit for free when you purchase the bundle or place a $50 order using my current host code. Just email me and let me know that you would like this kit, and I would love to send it out to you.